Hey guys, what is up and welcome to today's video. So I am coming back at you with a Halloween look. Very excited, but this Halloween look isn't gonna be as extra, I should say, as my last couple of Halloween looks. This is kind of gonna be a more laid back, like easier Halloween look. I don't know what it's called yet, but like obviously you know because it's in the title. How dare you be back here when I'm filming? I'll wait. Thank you. So, like I was saying, now I don't remember what I was saying. Let's move on from that. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm just gonna do makeup regular, how I always do it. We're gonna start with the Benefit Professional Primer. Don't mind my hand, I was trying to figure out which eyeliner I wanted to use. Fill in those pores. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my best damn lip mask that you literally cannot see at all. It's faded anyways. It's by Figueroa. We're gonna start with my eyes, as per usual, with some Tarte Shape Tape in light medium, right? Yeah, light medium. So we're gonna be using the Morphe palette. Sorry, it's so disgusting. There's like paint all over it. It's gonna be the 35B palette as usual. What we gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. I actually don't know what it's called, but it's like a tapered brush. It's fluffy. We're gonna use that to do I don't know what. Alright, we're gonna take black. We're gonna take that and put it right in the crease. Just going back and forth with a clean, fluffy brush. Just when I feel like I put too much product on, and it'll blend it out. And blend it outwards. So I'm actually gonna cut my crease. So I'm gonna take some more straight tape. And I just lift up so that way I know where to put the line. Take this really small pointer brush, I guess. This is actually my point liner. I probably got this in my Ipsy bag, I have no idea. I'm gonna go back in with the black. I'm just gonna bring this right over where the cut crease is, just to make it a little bit more sharp. So I just took the Aurora palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I took Luna and I just put it all over my lid. And now I'm gonna do the one thing I was regretting this whole time. A cat eye. I don't even know last time I did a cat eye. I don't even think I can do a cat eye still. I don't think I can do it. Should I start over here and go out, or should I start here? I'm so afraid right now to do this. I shouldn't even do anything, I already messed up. Okay. We're gonna do this off camera, because there's no way I can do this off camera. I'll see you in a second. Guys, we just conquered this cat eye. Like, do you see this cat eye?
Do you see this cat eye?
I haven't done a cat eye this good my whole life. Whole life.
We're not doing the same thing to the other side because no way I can make it this over here. This is not gonna happen. It's just not going to happen. So, what we're going to do is change this to something different. We're gonna go with the flow here, because if I try to copy it, it ain't gonna work out, and then the whole, it's gonna be ruined. It'll be ruined, and I know it, that's just my life. Moving on. So,
I can do this side of spider, and then make it... Is that a good idea? Sure. Well, I wasn't planning on using my Snazaroo palette for this video, but here I am using my Snazaroo palette. So we're gonna wet the black. I'm glad I didn't clean my brushes. They're still dirty. Oh wait, I did clean them actually, I lied. We're literally just gonna do this whole thing black right here. So I'm literally just following my crease and then my little dark circle line. We're gonna leave that for now, and we're gonna move on to foundation. We're gonna be using L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade N4. Alright, so now I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Get rid of that bag. So I'm gonna take what's left over on my sponge and just set the rest of my face. Alright, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'll be back. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna contour my face using this Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow bronzer. I don't know what this thing is called. I think I got it in my Ipsy bag. And it's in the shade Shadowy. So I'm gonna take this Real Techniques. It's actually the multitask brush, but I use it to bronze because I feel like it works really nice. See the difference? Wipe away the speck. Now we're gonna make the spider legs. So I'm just gonna take this Nazareth palette with the black face paint and I'm just gonna go over it. Alright, so we're just gonna do my red lip. That is all. So because I'm extra, well, let me just say this. If you want, this could be the end of the look right here. It's cute, it's simple. This was maybe a little extra, but you know, this could have been a lot easier if I wasn't so extra, but I'm just extra, so it's a little bit hard for me. But you could literally just leave this look here and it's still a super cute look for Halloween. But because I'm extra, I can't not use my midnight fresh sky blood. I'm gonna make a web on my face with the blood. Alright guys, that is the completed look. I think it came out really cute. It's simple but yet really festive. Festive? Is festive good for Halloween? Or is that just Christmas? Festive. I think it looks really cute. I really like this part. As usual, I like the bloody part. I don't know, the blood just always seems to make it look like really good. And this cat eye is on point. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like to see these type of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!